How to buy Robux from Play Store balance. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Robux from Play Store balance. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and make sure that you have downloaded Roblox application in your mobile device. So simply click on install, and once it's installed, you gotta make sure that you have a payment method active. To check that, you gotta go to the home of your Play Store. And then you got to click on your profile icon at the top right, and then you got to click on this option that says payments and subscriptions. So you got to head over and click on payments and subscriptions. You'll be taken over to this page. Here you got to click on payment methods, and you got to type in any payment method that you feel comfortable with, such as you can see here are the options of credit or debit card. You can add the number, CVV number, expiration date, and after that, you gotta open your Roblox application. So once you do open your Roblox application, you'll be able to see a Robux icon at the top right of your screen. So you gotta head over and click on this Robux icon right over here. And then you'll be taken over to a page where you'll be able to see your balance at the top, and you'll be able to see all of the plans that are available. The popular pick right now is 400 Robux for $4.99 US, and the currency will be updated according to the country you're residing in. There are different packages, and there are also some exclusive perks and some gift cards. You can enjoy 25% more Robux on Roblox gift cards, so you can buy that too. So for example, if you want to buy this one at the top, you can click on the US $4.99, and you'll be taken over to an interface like this. They're going to ask you to add credit or debit card, and once you have added that, you got to simply confirm the payment and you're good to go. So that is how you can buy Robux from Play Store balance. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.